Today is Sunday, January 9th at around 9 o'clock in the morning, and I'm going to take you on a garden tour. So where should we start? Let's start here. This is a box of mustard spinach. This one are beets, and then strawberries over here. These are edible flowers. Those are carrots. And then this is Tuscan kale or dino kale. This is another edible flower. This is lavender. This is artichoke. And then this is a blueberry bush. Hello, bee. That's a bee. And then this is an apple tree, which is sleeping right now because it's winter time. This is another lavender. Here we have another lavender here. This is a French lavender, and this one is English lavender. I have more strawberries, and then this is citronelle, the mosquito repellent. And then there is this rose, not edible. And then here we have, this is arugula, and that is broccolini, basil. It doesn't look good because this is a summer herb, so it will grow back in summer. I probably need to prune it. These are collard greens. And then here we have, this is garlic, this is bok choy, and then another dino kale. This is arugula, more bok choy over there. And then this is sugar snap peas. This one is sugar snap peas. This is broccolini, and then more arugula here. This is onion, and this is a lemon tree. That's a lemon tree. And then more mustard spinach here. This is a cross between mustard and spinach. And then this is Russian kale. And what else? More onions in between. These are sugar snap peas. And then more sugar snap peas over there. This is a pear tree, which is also dormant right now. This is a calamondine or calamansi tree, which is very prolific. As you can see, there are more fruits, and I keep on harvesting fruits from here, and more here too. See, there are a lot of those ripe over there, and then also the ones that are not ready yet. And this is a fig tree, also dormant right now. And then let's wait until that car passes by. Oh, this is a, okay, let's do this later. This is our citrus lane. So these are blueberry bushes. So we have two here, O'Neill and South Moon. This is another, this is a grapevine. This is a perlet. The variety is perlet. It's the green grapes. And we have 3 raised boxes here. We have different varieties of lettuce here. I just harvested yesterday for our salad. I'm going to post it later. This is purple bok choy. This is purple bok choy. And then this is tatsoi. This is tatsoi. That's another tatsoi over there. Those are joy choy. More tatsoi here, and those are purple Osaka mustard. Look at how pretty the leaves are. And then those behind this purple Osaka mustard are some Chinese cabbage over there. So let's go on the other side. Here we have nasturtiums and borage. So those are edible flowers. Where else? Oh, the trees. Let's move here. So let's go to this side. So this is a, oh, it's starting. It's going to bloom like soon. This is a donut peach tree. As you can see, the leaves are like, they are starting, there are like new branches, the green one. So this is a donut peach tree. Next to it is a nectar plum, a cross between nectarine and plum. This is a Fuyu persimmon tree. This one is a cherry tree. So springtime, these are going to be like really pretty with like beautiful blooms. Some are white, some are pink. So this is the latest addition to our garden. This is a cherry moya tree which we got from the nursery a couple of weeks ago. So this is a cherry moya tree. Let's move on to this side. So here we have another lemon tree. This is a Eureka lemon, same variety as the other one. Eureka lemon. Look at all the fruits. Can you see all the fruits? There are a lot of fruits. I put like a tomato cage here because they are all like, you know, on the ground. This is a pear tree. This is Shinjiki. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Shinjiki pear tree. And this is, look at the leaves. About to fall. Oh, this is another blueberry bush here. And then this one, look at the flowers. And this one is like an apricot tree, a barrel of strawberries. So I like leaves here. I'm going to clean this up and add more soil like later. Here we have asparagus and onions. And then this is a peach tree. This is a red baron peach tree. The other one is a donut peach. And then here is another lemon tree, which I already showed earlier. This is a kumquat tree. Look at that. Some are ready. A beautiful kumquat tree is a very beautiful tree when they have fruits. Look at how pretty. Here we have fennel. This is fennel. This is Satsuma mandarin, which grows very slow. We have this for almost, I think, 3 years now. See how like slowly it grows. And then there, I need to remove those like stakes. We have more fennel, more sugar snap peas and snow peas here. And then that's arugula. And this is a yuzu lemon. Very fragrant. Smells so good. Like what I said, this is our citrus like lane. So we have a Valencia orange here. This is a Valencia orange tree. Look at those like fruits. And then this is another grapevine. This is a blueberry variety because they look like blueberries. So it's winter, so the leaves are gone. So this is the six varieties of citrus on like one tree. And the one that has like fruits right now is this like branch. These are limes, bear's limes. And then so this like This tree has like lime, lemon, and it has not eureka, it has Meyer lemon, and then oranges, different varieties of oranges. And this is a lemon verbena that is a look at how tall that is a laurel plant where we get our laurel leaves or bay leaves. And then we have like those are chives. And then here we have, so these are like slago. I put slago, this like, if you can see this like little thing, these are slago because it rained, and we have slugs and snails right now. When it rains they come out, so I put them there. But they are they turn into like minerals when they, so they are not like harmful or anything like that. This is thyme. Like the herb garden doesn't look as pretty during winter time because they are supposed to be like more of like sun-loving crops. They are like happier when when it's like warmer. So this one is a nectarine tree. So as you can see, they are starting to have like new branches. These little ones, they are going to bloom very soon. I hope it doesn't rain when they bloom, so we get more fruits. And then this is basil, this is rosemary, those are fennel, this is a shiso. And then here we have sage, and then mint here. And then this is a plum tree. This is a plum tree. And then there is another calamondin tree here. This is a variegated calamondin tree. I have not harvested its fruits, but they're turning like over like ripe right now because there's another calamondin tree on the other side. And then this is oregano, and then more mint here, more fennel here, and then this is I can't remember this one, but this is edible too. Look at this Valencia orange. Look at the fruits. So this is kale. This is our like tree kale. This is a grow bag. We have potatoes. Let's go to the other side. We have more berries on the other side. This is a very fragrant rose. And that's a, let's be quiet, that's a hummingbird. See, can you see the hummingbird? 1 second, I hope it doesn't fly away. I hope you can see it. It has pink, it's green and pink. It's very pretty. Okay, let's move here. Move closer. I can hear it. I can hear it. I can see it right now. Maybe it flew away. Anyway, so here we have we planted berries. So this is raspberry, and then this is blackberry, and then this is, let's check what this one is, gooseberry. So we have 3 berries here, and then I am going to plant wildflower seeds in here. I'm going to add like more soil and then wildflowers. So this is going to be our berry garden. I'll probably add strawberries too, but for now we have raspberry, blackberry, and gooseberry. Is it gooseberry? I think so. Gooseberry, yes. Now I'm going to prepare breakfast. Oh, there you go. There is the hummingbird. Very pretty. So here's our breakfast. Just like syrup, pancake like syrup, and then the berries. I have some blackberries here, and then some strawberries and blueberries. And then powdered sugar. It's snowing here. It's Sunday and we're having breakfast here in the backyard patio. We are having this Austrian version of the pancake, Kaiser Charm. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Or the shredded pancake. Hi Josh, are you ready for breakfast?
Yes, I am.
Do you like this?
Yes, I know it's pancake.
Yes, the shredded pancake. Let me get like forks. Hi Josh.
Hi, Mommy.
What's the plan?
But it seems like the parents have overgrown.
No, it's okay. You can go there. I can go there too. There are berries there. Go. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button and subscribe. And we hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.